Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use promo codes on PrizePicks. Alright, let's begin. First, open the PrizePicks website or app and navigate to the live support section. Copy the promo code you received via email or push notification. Then, send the promo code to the live support team through the chat option. The support team will verify your eligibility for the promotion. If you are eligible, they will apply the promotion directly to your account. Once the promotion is successfully applied, you can use it for your next bet or deposit, depending on the specific terms and conditions of the promo code. If you encounter any issues while redeeming the code, the live support team is available to assist you and resolve any problems. So that's basically how you can use promo codes on PrizePicks. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.